Hello everyone, welcome to my course. Today I will teach you how you can create viral and clickbait thumbnail for your videos. So we will cover this lecture, and first we need to find clickbait and viral thumbnail on YouTube. So what is our topic? Our topic is skin glowing. So glowing skin, I will copy here and go to YouTube and paste here glowing skin. And now we need a best thumbnail. For example, this thumbnail I have like this is the best and viral thumbnail. How you can image this thumbnail is viral or not? You can get idea from views. For example, this video was uploaded 11 months ago, but this video getting 9.5 million views. So this is the good thing of his thumbnail. And you can check other things, other thumbnails. If which thumbnail you have like, you can use. But I will check again which thumbnail is good for me. I will edit. It's good and it's also good. It's okay. I think that thumbnail is best on she's make good thumbnail on his video. So we will use this thumbnail for our Facebook. So now you need to copy the video link and now go to uthumb. This is the website uthumb.net. Open this website and put the link, video link, this website getting his thumbnail for you. Now you need to right click and save image as. Save image in your download section. This thumbnail you have saved. Now you need to change and some editing in this thumbnail. How you can do it, I will teach you. So you need to this application name is this is the mobile software, mobile application, and also you can use Photoscape on your computer. So go to editor and now go to menu, click on new photo, and here you need to keep size 1280 and height 720. This is the YouTube size. So take it white and click OK. Now this is the blank. Now you need to go object, click on photo, click on again photo, and go to your download section. This is your thumbnail you have downloaded from the YouTube video. Now you need to use this type. It's good. Okay, I keep only title on upside on thumbnail. So what she keep the title on his video, 1 day challenge, skin brightening at home. So I will open his video and copy his some title I will put this title. Go to rich text and put it here, Control A, and now you need to change font. So take a good font, for example I am using Araval Black. It's good font, I think, and size I need to 48 for example, and color I need red. Red is better, so maybe I will check here. It's big, or I think it's very big. It's very big thumbnail, so double click on thumbnail and resize. It's 48. Now you need to 30 and OK. Now you can check your thumbnail is good, fit on your image. So we need some big, 30 to 36, and check again. It's OK. Now your thumbnail is ready. 1 day challenge, skin brightening at home. You put here a title, and this is the image, viral thumbnail. Now you need to save this thumbnail, save as, no, and go to download and put here the title, so you can easily find this image. And now I am saving this thumbnail. Okay, now you need to go again on Facebook and click here and click on custom image, add image, and go to your download folder, and this is your thumbnail. Select this thumbnail, come up here, and it's looking very good. Now you need to click on next, and if you want to publish now, then you can publish your video right now. But if you want to schedule, I think it's better you need to schedule this video. For example, today is 3, so I will publish this video on 5, and timing I will choose 6 p.m. because it's very premium time, and mostly users online on Facebook, mostly user using Facebook on evening time. So I keep this time, and now I click to schedule. So now your video will be scheduled after 2 days. This will be automatically published after 2 days. So this is the method how you can find best and viral thumbnail for your YouTube video. Any of thumbnail you like, only you need to copy the video link and go to uthumb.net and paste here YouTube link, and you can download his thumbnail, and you can recreate this thumbnail again. Keep the title upside or downside in thumbnail, and use this viral image, because we need to getting more views in short time. So we will definitely use the viral thumbnail. This is the method. I hope you will be understand.